Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Today we're going to do rolling like a ball inside your spine corrector.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So rolling like a ball on the spine corrector might seem like, what? How would you do that? But it is an option, and it's quite revealing of what is going on in your practice. If you're throwing yourself around, you will find out real quick because you'll be sliding around in here. So I put it in the OPC Barrels flashcard deck as just a way for you to see there's so much you can do with your spine corrector. There's more than meets the eye, and it really is a great teaching tool and challenge for our practice for sure. Smaller surface area, the more of a challenge it's going to be anyways. So you want to set yourself up inside the crease. I like to get my tailbone underneath me, and then I like to balance. So I'm not so resting on the spine corrector, and I'm just going to rock back and forward. And what we don't want is the knees to come closer and then further away and slide around. So we're going to push our legs into our hands and come forward, and then pull our waist back. And so you're trying to just do this little rock back and forth and become one piece from the feet to the crown of your head. Again, not legs together, legs apart, legs into you, legs apart. If that's how you're doing your rolling like a ball, it's hard to know on the mat, but on here you figure it out real fast. So it becomes just a deeper movement. It's not something I do all the time. In fact, I don't do it that often because once you kind of figure out how to do rolling like a ball, you get to omit it. So use it as a teaching tool and then put it back into your mat practice. And that is what this is a great tool for. So if you have questions about that, put them in the comments below. I go live on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific time. I would love to chat with you back and forth live, answering your question. So do that. And also, if you would like us to give you feedback on your form, or I could see you is in a video in our members only community where we have a great time making sure you just have this set up correctly, that you have the right equipment for your practice, and personalized feedback for you because everybody is different. So go to onlinepilatesclass.com/YouTube.